Today we're gonna make some crispy sauteed potatoes. Over here we have 3 potatoes and it's time to peel them. All right, here, let's start it off. It's 1 potato. Just take your time, peel it, remove all the skin. Now we're gonna chop up these potatoes to about 1-inch pieces. All right. Now let's add some water to the potato. We're gonna boil them for about 5 minutes. It's gonna help soften them up before we fry them. Time to drain the potatoes, and we're gonna rough them up a little bit in the colander. Now you're gonna saute your potatoes. So we're gonna start with some oil. I like to use avocado oil, and we're gonna put your pan on high heat. You're gonna cook the potatoes for about 5 minutes till they become lightly brown. Now you're gonna add some salt and pepper. Cook for another 5 minutes till they reach a nice golden brown. At this point, turn off the heat and add your garlic. This way you know your garlic won't burn. So there you have it, some crispy fried potatoes. They may look a little bit dark, but believe me, they are not burnt. And they're absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please check out these other great videos and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already.